Good morning, my YouTube followers. I'm out on this beautiful Saturday morning. It's about 6 in the morning, and I'm headed to one of my favorite fishing holes. It's pretty cloudy out here today, but the sun's gonna be up and burn some of these clouds off. So I'll keep you guys informed of how I do when I get there. All right, peace. I had to put it on 4-wheel drive to get out because I started sliding. This guy over here must have been a drunk driver and got caught. But I'm ready to go fishing, y'all. What's going on? Well, it's around about 12:19. Been out here since 6 in the morning, and I'm about ready to cut this engine on and take a little boat ride and call it a day. But I did catch a few crappies. Let's see if you can get a look at it. There's one perch in there, but we'll see what we got when I get home. All right, peace. So this is this morning's catch. Nice. And that's the new family pet, Nugget. Nugget. Well, what's up, guys? Just got done cleaning all those crappies. Now I'm finna give my dog a bath. He ain't really looking too forward for it, but he's been rolling around in the dirt while I've been cleaning fish. So that's the next step for me. Got my fillets soaking in some water. Don't think I'm going to be cooking some fish tonight. I'll probably end up freezing them, saving them for a later date, but just wanted to let you guys see the end result. All right, peace out.